My name is Kelly Hunt. I'm a registered nurse. I am 48 years old. I live in Northern California. Um, I will be married 30 years later this month, and I have 4 children. As far as my educational background, right out of high school, I did one semester, messed around, didn't, do the things the way it would have been ideal, but did eventually get back to taking part-time classes at our local community college. And I also worked as a CNA at that time, which kind of sparked my interest in the medical field. Prior to that, I had thought I would be an elementary school teacher through, virtually all of my childhood. So that ended up directing me towards the associate degree nursing program at Shasta College. I completed that program in 2004 and began working at St. Elizabeth Community Hospital in Red Bluff, California. We used to be part of the Catholic Healthcare West health system. Then it changed to Dignity Health, which has now become Common Spirit Health. I did a year of med-surg nursing on night shift, and then got into labor and delivery, which was really my passion and where I wanted to spend my career. So I've been in that department at that hospital for 17 and a half years now. About 4 years ago, I did my RN to BSN program through Western Governors University. I loved that accelerated program. It worked well with my schedule. And then 2 years ago, I transitioned from a role of staff nurse to director of the Family Birth Center. And that's where I'm at right now. As far as my professional accomplishments, the main thing that I'm most proud of is around the time we had that transition in leadership and I became the director, we had a Sentinel event in our department, which led to me taking a large role in creating a safe sleep program for newborns in our postpartum unit. That's my greatest professional accomplishment so far. I did not have a personal mission statement written down. I think we all have ideas about what we're about. But today I got that in writing and I will share it. My mission statement. As I walk through life, I will nurture and encourage my family, displaying kindness and generosity to all who I encounter. The most meaningful legacy I can leave for those around me is a positive attitude, an appreciation for the beauty around us, and a love of God. And then my expectations for this course, it's been more than 2 years since I've been in school. And so my main expectation is just to get back in the groove of studying, writing, interacting, and make this the first step of success in this program. Thank you very much. I look forward to meeting you all.